Ready? Yeah! People keep it tickling. The bush. Ready? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Are you handsome? Oh, you are. I can hear June crying. I can hear June. Should we look at June on the little baby camera and see where she's at? Oh, he's so happy. Are you so glad that you were rescued from the pet store? Because it's rescue. Charlie, I know, you think that's a bird and you want to get it, don't you? See? Everybody thinks you need a friend. You don't need a friend because you're going to go, ah. What we got going on in here, Charlie? I know, see? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you having a good day? You are. Woo! You're a pretty boy. Who's a pretty boy? Hello? Mama. You say mama. I gotta go wipe your poop off. That's nice, Charlie. Why? Disgusting. Charlie. Tickles. Charlie. Tickles. 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 It tickles. You're tickling my ear, Charlie Bear. Ah! It tickles, Charlie. Charlie. Charlie bit my finger.